Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer a prescription to Walgreens app. Without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to transfer a prescription to Walgreens, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Walgreens application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. If you don't have an account, simply create one by simply tapping on the sign in option on the bottom top right corner of the screen and select register. Once you have done that and created an account, from your dashboard what you need to do is tap on the prescription tab on the bottom of your screen, and once you tap on prescriptions, there you'll find an option that says transfer prescriptions. Simply select that. Now you'll see an option to type the medication name or RX number and enter your current pharmacy name, city and phone number, and what you need to do here is select the Walgreens store where you want to pick up your prescription. Then once done, Walgreens will handle the transfer by contacting your old pharmacy, and you'll see updates in the app once the transfer is complete. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.